Year 2. So today it's Wednesday the 24th of June and we're going to continue with our poetry. Who can remind me then, what do we mean by a poem? Okay, so a poem is when we share our feelings or we write down our thoughts, and we often use rhyme or rhythm, a little bit like a song. And this week we're looking at a special kind of poem. Who can remember what kind of poem we're looking at writing this week? There's a clue on the board. Okay, this week we're looking at shape poems, and we've already had a go this week of reading some shape poems. So what does a shape poem have that makes it special? Okay, we've said that shape poems describe an object, they might describe a person, or they might describe a place. We've said that shape poems are written in the shape of the object, the person, the place, or the animal that they might be describing. We've said that they don't have to have rhyme, but they do use our full stops and our capital letters. And we said that shape poems often use alliteration and similes. And we're going to look at one of those tools today. So, let's have a look at what our learning question is today. Can I create alliteration? Does anybody know what alliteration is? Okay, alliteration is when we use the same letter or the same sounds at the start of a word. Okay, so we're going to read our volcano shape poem. Miss Burrows is going to read it, you can join in, and we're going to see if we can spot any alliteration when we use the same sounds or the same letter at the start of a word. A huge rock that rumbles and roars, wrecking the ground all around it. It shoots sizzling, steaming, scorching lava like a monster spitting out hot liquid into the air. Like a shooting dragon, it finally starts to calm down. The chaos stops and it goes back to being a deadly, dangerous rock. Has anybody spotted any alliteration? Okay, I'm hoping some of us spotted rumbles and roars. They both have the R sound at the start of the words. Sizzling, steaming, scorching lava. They both have the S sounds at the start of those words. Deadly, dangerous, rock. They both have the D sound at the start of those words. Now we know that our shape poem isn't going to be about a volcano, it's going to be about ice cream. So today we're creating some alliteration for an ice cream. And so on your sheets you've got your own ice creams, and Miss Burrows has given you some words to start with that are all about an ice cream. So Miss Burrows has got scoop, a scoop of ice cream. And I'm going to try and create as many words as I can that have alliteration with the word scoop, so that begin with the S sound. Let me have a think then about the scoop of an ice cream. The scoop of an ice cream is soft. Scoop, soft. They've both got the sound for alliteration. Let's have another think about the scoop of an ice cream. The scoop of an ice cream can be slushy. Soft, slushy, scoop. We've got alliteration, the sound. Let's have a think if we can think of any more alliteration for scoop. The scoop of an ice cream can be swirling. Soft, slushy, swirling, scoop. Today, then that's what I want you to do. Have a go at creating some alliteration for our words that link to our ice creams. I can't wait to see your alliteration ice creams.